Every morning we make a choice. Get up, head to work, ignore the dreams that never came true. But what if you're done just surviving Monday through Friday? Hi, I'm Agatha. I've been in your shoes searching for a way out of the cycle and trying to build something stable for myself. Fast forward 10 years and I'm now a trader who sees the market not as chaos but as opportunity. I'm not a guru, just someone who found a tool that helps make decisions and spot potential where others only see risk. Today I'm gonna walk you through a real trading session. Live, nothing extra, no theory dumps. Just the screen, market analysis and clear reasoning behind every move. Stay with me until the end. This might be the moment you realize that financial tools aren't just for people with Ivy League degrees and connections. Shall we? Hold on. Before we dive in, I need to tell you something important. Back when I started, I craved just one thing: the chance to watch a real trader work. Not screenshots, no generic theory, but actual live trades, mistakes, and success. Now I offer that opportunity to others. Inside my trading club, you get access to daily live sessions where I trade in real time and walk you through each decision, what I'm doing and why. So you can follow along, ask questions, and get real feedback. But most importantly, you will see how it works live. The club already has a lot of members, but I'm limiting new spots so I can keep the quality high and personally guide new members. If you want in, pause this video and click the link in the pinned comment. Right now, the doors are open. Later, they might not be, so let's get started. Alright, let's begin our session. The platform is already open and I'm setting the parameters I need. I'm choosing the indicator. You will soon understand that indicators help define the strategy. No trading session happens without them. Today's choice is the vortex. This indicator helps identify both upward and downward trends. It makes it faster for me to spot entry and exit points in the market. And now I'm selecting the pairs I'll be working with. So everything is ready, let's get started. Let's take a look at the first pair. Right away, I'm considering a downward move, since we previously saw a trend break caused by a strong downward impulse. The price is now correcting after the early impulse and has approached a zone where significant trading volume was seen before. These types of zones often become reversal or continuation points of the main trend. In this situation, I expect the price to go down and continue moving along the trend. A strong start for us. Let's move on. Let's check the next pair. I'm considering going down here. Take a look. The price is moving down sharply. The indicator is opening up, which signals strong momentum. And the red line is on top, further confirming a downward trend. Everything is going according to plan. That's right, we've clearly identified the trend. And here, the key is to take the trend direction into account when making decisions. This is a great example of how spotting a strong trend in time can really pay off. Now let's break down this pair. We see the price pulling back toward a resistance level where there was a large volume of trades. This could be a great area for a bounce, so I'm considering going down. Just like last time, it was important to catch the trend early and not miss it. Let's keep going. Alright, moving forward. See how the price is moving actively and the indicator is signaling that the trend is turning upward. The green line has moved up, confirming the start of a new bullish trend. I plan to open a buy position on the pullback. This is the moment when everything starts to fall into place. We are seeing results, and this could be just the beginning. Before we continue, there is something important to understand. You are seeing live trades on your screen, but behind those trades are years of experience, dozens of training programs, refined strategies, and a global community of people using them every day. I created this space for people who want to grow with me, and in my trading club, it's all real, every trade, every result, fully transparent. You won't be alone here, a strong community, support, 2 live sessions every day, and a chat filled with traders from around the world. Just imagine, a few minutes a day and you are part of a real process. No empty promises, just the facts. Click the link in the pinned comment while access is still open. And now let's get back to trading. Let's continue. Okay, here I see the price moving sideways and I plan to enter a buy position near the lower boundary of the range. Even though there is no clear signal from the indicator, these pullbacks during sideways movements are quite common. Great! Sometimes the market moves sideways and the indicator doesn't always give a strong signal. But we identified a potential moment and chose one of the possible actions. Let's look at what's happening with this pair. The trend has shifted to bullish and now the price is testing a resistance level. This is a key point for reversal, and I'll wait to see if the price fails to break through and starts moving downward. Let's watch closely. Awesome! We've once again reacted to a level and are seeing some solid results. Alright, let's keep going. We saw a bounce downward and have now reached a new volume level, which we can spot on the left side of the chart. Plus, a few candles back, there was a hammer pattern, which usually signals a possible reversal. That's why I feel it's time to act. Yeah, I'm still in the green, and that definitely feels good. Let's see what we've got here. I'm considering going up, and here is why. Just as I expected, a steady uptrend has started here. We can clearly see the bulls dominating at the level. The indicator is showing a green line, which signals a strong upward trend. There has been a pullback, so that's why I decided to go for an upward move. As you can see, this approach worked. I tried to follow the trend based on the analysis. Moving on, let's check out this pair. I'm going down because the price broke out of the sideways range downward. The red line on the indicator is on top, but not very wide, so I'm not expecting any sharp movements. Still, a small downward move seems likely, so I'm going down. Here I used the indicator, and this approach gave a certain result. As you can see, there was a sideways movement, and the indicator helped me make that call. Let's take a look at the next pair. I'm also going with a downward move here because the price hit a strong resistance level. It's struggling to go any higher, and the indicator is showing the red line crossing above the green one. This is signal that the bears are starting to take over and the price might go down. Perfect! We are seeing the expected reaction. You can see the result on the screen. I'd like to lock that in. Let's wrap up our session with this pair. The price moved up and a strong level has formed in this area. The price hasn't consolidated much around this level yet, so taking a bounce downward seems like a logical decision. I expect a possible price drop and a continuation of the trend. Great! That's a positive result. It's important to remember, everyone starts their own path and reaches their own outcomes. I think this is a good place to end the session. That's a wrap. I hope today's session gave you something to think about. Sometimes life just becomes a blur of identical days. We watch, we wait, we scroll, and nothing changes. But change doesn't start with the perfect moment. It starts with a decision. We just finished a full breakdown, and now it's your turn to choose. Close the video and everything stays the same, or take that step forward and see how trading might fit into your life. That's why I created this club. Inside, I host daily sessions where we analyze trades, walk through real setups, and I support each new member personally. It's free to join, but spots are limited because I work one-on-one with every beginner. If this feels like your moment, pause this video and click the link in the pinned comment. So see you inside the club. Until then, take care.